Hello. As you all know, we have our beautiful Blue Lotus cream, face cream. And in one of our videos, or even if you see Ken in the old videos, and you can see him right now as behind the camera. Hi, Ken. Um, the face cream from Blue Lotus is amazing. Tell your experience.
If you could see in old videos, you'll see that I have a lot of wrinkles here. They were deep and I had really dark spots. Well, I've been using the Blue Lotus, 1 minute, face cream.
Face cream. So, and you see the results, so it works. So now I came up and I thought maybe I add different ingredients and see if we can create a different way to help Ken's arthritis in, as you know as well, in his fingers, right, and the knee and in the joint, so it's really, really bad. We have our arthritis oil, which is helping, but it's an oil. And then we thought, let us try something. And Ken already tried it. You know us, we are not selling or putting anything on the market. We did not try on our own. I don't have arthritis, so Ken tried it out. And let me just show you what you need. Of course, Blue Lotus oil, which is infused in olive oil. You know that. High quality olive oil. So we have 1 cup of infused Blue Lotus olive oil. And then I have 30 g beeswax, 15 g shea butter, and 15 g coconut oil. And these ingredients are now combining. It takes a moment. So we can make out of them a cream. So we found out, or Ken found out, he will share this experience with you soon. When we add this additional, like I said, the shea butter, the coconut butter in different measurements, we found out, or he found out, because he's always on the lookout for anything for his arthritis. The oil is helping perfectly, but he thought, maybe you can find any other ingredients which is even more helpful. And Ken, here he comes.
So here we go. My main thing was, so yes, our arthritis oil helps. Arthritis oil really helps. And you can rub it in, and I'll show you how to do that too. That's important. But I was like, it's an oil. Not everyone likes oil. Not everyone likes going to bed with oily hands and everything.
And the smell, because
And
there's
the
garlic.
smell. There's garlic in it and other stuff. You can watch that video. Please do that. Share and like. Subscribe to our channel. But I'll show you. So when this is done, I can't show you how, but because it will be too hot, it has to cool down first. But when it does, so what I do is I put it on the outside where you have arthritis pain mostly. Where I have it is here on the bones, and between the bones, and here, down here on the thumb, here. So what I do is I put it on both hands and I rub it nicely in. When I rub it in, remember what I said by the other video? Always towards the body. Always towards the body. Even here between. And turn around and do inside here. Same thing. Rub these. Yes, it pinches a little bit, but rub it. Rub it in there. And you won't go to bed with oily hands either, or smelling like a pizza.
And you can see, I don't know if you saw, if you realized it, his hands are looking so much younger, and there are hardly any, I mean, with the age, you get these dark spots. There are hardly any dark spots at all. So, and this is from our Blue Lotus face cream he used here as well. And now our new product, and it's gone. And we figured out a nice, unusual name for this balm. It's not a cream, it's balm, because with the shea butter and the other ingredients, it's really soft, not like a normal cream. A normal cream is always a little bit harder when you put it on your skin, but this is really soft. It's not a lotion, but it's soft. And we call this now, we give him the name, watch up, Arthro Lotus Healing Balm. Lotus Healing Balm. And the way why we say this is Athro, we shortcut it from arthritis, Lotus because Blue Lotus is in there, and Healing Balm because Ken just explained it to you. It's working and it's making his arthritis a lot better. So when everything, I need some kind of a towel. When everything is melted, switch off your stove. Ooh, the other way around. As you can see, everything is melted. Then we just put it in 1 ounce brown glass jars. And we are not using plastic, as you all know. First of all, plastic with a liquid from the cream, the plastic is deforming. we had the experience, we put it in plastic, we thought, okay, maybe it's because it's not so heavy and everything, but the plastic was deforming, so it has a fancy form. So that's why we are staying with our glass, and of course dark glass, and we will label it with the name. You remember? I don't. Lotus Healing Balm. So this will be the name of our new creation here, and it will be available as soon the cream is ready. That it takes about an hour or two until it's ready to use. Better is overnight, but if you really, really need it and you make it on your own, you could definitely go ahead and use it within an hour.
And the plastic that we were using was food grade,
Yeah.
supposedly even microwave safe, which I didn't understand. Well, how can it deform itself then? But then we decided, well, plastic altogether is not really our thing. Minimal as possible using plastic. Bang. So,
And this is now, when it's drying out, our 1 ounce Lotus Healing Balm. So if you have any question or any additional information you want to know, write in our comment. Give me a call, send me an email. You can get it on the farmers market wherever we are around, or you can order it online from our website. It will be available, I guess, by the end of the day. I will make picture and put it on my website. So, but yes, I give you some information how you can heal yourself, but I'm your master herbalist. I'm not a doctor. I cannot and I will not give you any medical advice. What we are sharing here, what Ken was sharing with you, was his own experience, how it works for him. And he's more than happy to share this with you. That's what we are doing here. We give you tips, but we never give you medical advice. I think for now we have everything said, what it's important for our Lotus Healing Balm.
big word.
I have to get it on a little label, but I will manage this. I would say, other than this, we are ready. Love and light.
Love and light.
Ken and Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.